Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about the solar system. The solar system is basically a ginormous place in vast emptiness of space. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the origin of the solar system, the planets, and several other objects that make up the solar system. Let's first start with the origin of the solar system. The solar system began about 4.6 billion years ago, when a cloud of swirling gas formed from a star that was enormously large, tens of thousands of times larger than our sun. The core became the neutron star, which is still somewhere out there in our galaxy. The sun formed from about an asteroid 1.47 meters in diameter, which was the most massive in the molecular cloud of debris from the star. Once that happened, everything came to an end and they collided. Once everything collided, they grew and grew and grew. It became denser and denser until it became our sun. The formation of the planets were formed from a giant ring orbiting around the sun. Tiny particles of rock clumped together to form Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and probably even the dwarf planets, Pluto, Eris, Makemake, Haumea, Ceres, and several other dwarf planets that we don't have official names yet. Now we believe that the inner rocky planets are younger than the outer gas giants. See, we expect that Jupiter was already formed before Earth and the other rocky planets were formed. See, scientists believe that Jupiter moved into the solar system a long time ago when the sun was surrounded by 3 planets, as you can see in the simulation. And then Jupiter made these planets crash, collide, and dispense into one another. Once these asteroids crashed into one another, there was nothing left to them. Jupiter wrecked those 3 objects. Some of those pieces hurtled into the sun. When Jupiter moved back from the sun, from the formation of Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, then we noticed that they formed into the rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The gas giants were formed in solid form. Now the explosions were so violent that Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars were formed from molten rock, and then became solid later as they cooled